Hello students, 10 years 2010 to 2020 ICSE class 10 physics chapter wise solution refraction of light part 3. Question number 12. What is meant by the term critical angle? Right. So see, critical angle is the angle of incidence in a denser medium for which angle of refraction in rarer medium is 90 degree. Next, how is it related to the refractive index of the medium? Yes, n is equal to 1 by sin c, where n is what? Refractive index of medium with respect to air, and c is the critical angle. See the next question. Does the depth of a tank of water appears to change or remains the same when viewed normally from above? So answer, it remains same. Why? Right, when refraction takes place normally, then angle of incidence is 0, angle of refraction is also 0. So yes, it remains same, it does not change. Next, a ray of light PQ is incident normally on the hypotenuse of a right angled prism ABC as shown in the diagram given alongside. See the diagram. Okay, copy the diagram and complete the path of the ray PQ till it emerges from the prism. Next, what they are asking, what is the value of the angle of deviation of the ray? Next, name an instrument where this action of the prism is used. See what happens here. A right angled triangle is given there, right? So here this is 90 degree and this angle is 45 and this angle is also 45 degree, right? A ray PQ incidents normally on the surface AC. When it incidents normally, then refracted ray also goes normally. So angle of incidence is 0, angle of refraction is also 0. But see, with this hypotenuse, this angle is what? 90 degree, right? So if this is 90, then this is also 90 degree, and this one is 45 degree, and definitely this is 45 degree. So when it incidents on the face AB, there it is necessary to draw normal, right? So normal. So this angle is 45 degree. So with respect to this normal, the refracted angle makes 45 degree here, right? So this is angle of incidence at this point now. Here 45 degree is more than 42 degree, right? Critical angle for glass is what? 42. So this is now 45. So what happens? Angle of incidence is greater than critical angle. So it takes total internal reflection. See now, it takes total internal reflection. Now see, according to law of reflection, if this is 45, then this angle is also 45. Now it incidents on the surface BC. Again you draw a normal here. So what is the angle of this, right? So this angle is again 45 degree, because see, this is 45 degree, this is 90 degree, and this is what? 45 degree. Then definitely this angle is 45. Okay, now here what happens? Again it incidents on BC more than critical angle. So again it undergoes total internal reflection, right? So second question, what they are asking, the angle of deviation here. Once it deviates 90 degree here, second time it deviates again 90 degree, So total is what? 180 degree. So our answer is 180 degree. Name an instrument, right? So in binoculars. Next, a ray of light is moving from a rarer medium to denser medium and strikes a plane mirror placed at 90 degree to the direction of the ray as shown in the diagram. So here diagram is given. Copy the diagram and mark the arrow to show the path of the ray of light after it reflected from the mirror. Name the principle you have used to mark the arrows, right? So see what happens here is copy the diagram. A ray of light, rarer medium to denser medium it comes, and here there is a plane mirror, and that plane mirror is 90 degree for refracted ray, right? So when we are keeping a plane mirror here, what happens? It reflects back as it comes in that direction itself. It retraces. It reflects back. See, yes, this is now incident ray. Now here, yes, it retraces. So refracted ray is also same path, retraces here. So this is a path. So second, what they are asking, which principle you are using, right? This is which principle it is? Yes, this is principle of reversibility of light. Next, the refractive index of glass with respect to air is 1.5. What is the value of the refractive index of air with respect to glass? Second question, a ray of light is incident as a normal ray on the surface of separation of two different mediums. What is the value of the angle of incidence in this case? So answer, refractive index with respect to refractive index of air with respect to glass. What they are asking, what is the value of refractive index of air with respect to glass? So refractive index of air with respect to glass is equal to what? 1 by refractive index of glass with respect to water. So here we are using principle of reversibility. By principle of reversibility, it is possible to show that, right? So refractive index of one medium, second medium with respect to first medium is equal to reciprocal of refractive index of first medium with respect to second medium, that is, right? So according to that, I am writing here. So 1 by refractive index of glass with respect to air, its refractive index is given, it is 1.5. So 1.5, that means what? 3 by 2, right? So you are getting here 0.67. What they are asking here, a ray of light incident as normally on the surface of separation of two different mediums. What is the value of angle of incidence? Yes, it is 0, right? So next, can the absolute refractive index of a medium be less than 1? So our answer is what? No. Why? Why no? Absolute refractive index we are defining always, yes, in that first medium is what? Air or vacuum. In that air or vacuum, the speed of light is always more than, yes, any other mediums, right? So answer you are getting no. It is always greater than 1. Okay. So now next, a coin is placed at the bottom of a beaker, appears to be raised by 4 cm. If the refractive index of water is 4 by 3, find the depth of the water in the beaker, right? So this is, see here what is given. According to that, a coin is placed in a bottom of water. Yes. So here the real depth from the surface of water coin is placed at a distance. That one we are saying a real depth, that is x. So apparent depth is what? Coin looks here. So this is apparent depth. See the figure there. So normal shift is equal to what? Real depth minus apparent depth. So apparent depth is equal to what? Real depth minus normal shift. So real depth value is what? Here I am taking x.